And I'm just going to go one more time through the kind of data upload do's and don'ts. As you already know, we have to first add the name of the companies and groups before adding any sites. Site names should be unique across your companies. Again, we talked about this already. We have to provide the latitude and longitude in the WGS 84 projection in this format, latitude, comma, longitude, or an address as specific as possible. Just a little hint that if you have data elsewhere and you would like to paste that data into our Excel templates, try to paste the data as values so that our formatting of our Excel tables is still going to stay intact. There is some formatting in there that, for example, helps you with error spotting. So you don't want to kind of delete that formatting. Ideally, you perform a quick visual check on the data before uploading, and we'll do this in just a second together. And again, we have question marks as well as the help tab to guide your inputs and to answer first questions. A couple of don'ts here as well. Please don't upload more than 5,000 sites in one company or group. I think this is pretty lenient when you look at it, but the tool is then kind of throwing errors if you overload it with data. So that is sort of the cap, and our Excel templates also stop inputs as 5,000 sites, but just as a hint for you. Please don't change the Excel template file structure. So we're seeing all of those different columns of company name, site name, etc. Please don't switch them around or add columns in between. That will be tricky for the upload as well. Again, please don't provide incomplete addresses. And in the download later, please don't change the site IDs in the Excel. But basically, all of the information that is already there is really fine-tuned to help you with the upload. So if you don't change that, but just copy paste your data as values in there, you're absolutely fine.